What's up, you guys? It's Kendall back here again for the 7th installment in our financial friendship. Thank you so much for coming back and spending more time with me. I do appreciate it. I know your time is precious and I do not want to waste it. Guys, I put so much effort and time into this content that I'm giving you in the videos. So to show your appreciation for the quick, concise, accurate information that I'm giving you to give you benefit, please hit the like button underneath and hit that subscribe button because it greatly helps out this channel. Guys, that is how the content is delivered via the YouTube algorithm, so please help me out by hitting those two things for me. Also, guys, in the description below, there are two links. One is for Webull and one is for Robinhood. Guys, if you click on those links, you download the apps and you begin your investment journey, then you will receive free stocks and you will get me some free stocks in return. I do appreciate it. Let me know in the comments below what you get, and best of luck. Now, guys, with all that being said, let's dive into the content. Guys, today is a special day, and this is a special video because we are going to be starting a new series. Now, this series is entitled Dividend Stock of the Week. And what it is where we are going to be breaking down and analyzing a dividend stock to look at the financial fundamentals, the history of the dividend, the history of the growth of the company, to determine, is this something that you should take a closer look at that may be beneficial for you and your dividend portfolio. Starting out this first week, we are talking about Gladstone Land Corporation, ticker symbol LAND. Guys, Gladstone Land Corporation is a real estate investment trust. Now, if you do not know what a real estate investment trust is, I made a video specifically over them a couple weeks ago entitled Sweet REITs. I will leave a link in the description below for that video, so if you missed it, go back, look it up, because it could be greatly beneficial for you. Because in that video, I give 4 examples of real estate investment trust stocks that could bring you in a whopping combined monthly dividend of 28.7% of dividend yield. It is insane. Watch the video. Best of luck, but again, do your own due diligence, okay? But guys, Gladstone Land Corporation is a real estate investment trust that owns farmland and farm-related facilities leased to high-quality farmers, primarily on a triple net basis, meaning that the farmers pay rent, insurance, maintenance, and taxes. Guys, I personally have some investment properties. I have one right now. I'm currently in the process of obtaining a second one. Now, as that, I am the landlord. So a lot of the normal day-to-day stuff I have to worry about. I have to pay the insurance. I have to pay the taxes. And not only that, but if something goes wrong, it is on me to get it fixed. If the air conditioning goes out, if a tree falls down and takes out the roof, if there's a gutter that falls down, it is not my tenant's responsibility to have to go in and fix that themselves. Now, if they do, I will monetarily help them out, in a break on the rent or something like that, but it is my responsibility. The way that Gladstone Land Corporation has their farmland property that they have leased out, they don't have to worry about any of that. So what they do in their business model is they will look at a farm or a farm-related property, and they will determine, is that something that is financially advantageous to them? Is it profitable? Does it look like it's going to continue to be profitable over the coming years? They will do their due diligence. They will look up that information, and they will determine, yes, it is something that is profitable, or no, it's not. If it is, then they'll go through the legalities of obtaining that property, and once they obtain it, their hands are pretty much clear once they have leased it out, because then it is on the farmers and the quote-unquote high-quality farmers to then go in and maintain the land, make sure it's profitable, make sure it's producing the appropriate harvest that it is, and that is where they get paid, okay? When they get paid, their revenue goes up, they return it to you as a shareholder, and they will give you dividends. Guys, currently, Gladstone Land Corporation owns 141 farms, equating to 104,000 acres of farmland across 13 states, and they are currently leased at 100% capacity. Now, guys, since their inception in 2013, they have never fallen beyond an occupancy rating of 95%. Which means at no point has more than 5% of their acres not been leased out. And most of the time, they are leased with an occupancy rating of 100%. You may be asking yourself, why are people going so crazy about farmlands? Well, guys, because think about it. As we continue to extend our population and as a society, we continue to go more towards both a vegetarian and vegan society, and there's much more of a push right now, especially in the plant-based meats market. There is a further demand of fresh fruits and vegetables, and also nuts, because they also own some nut farms as well. Now guys, over the past 41 years, since 1980, fresh fruits and vegetables segment of the food and beverage sector has increased by 331%. Guys, we are on fire as it comes to fruits and vegetables and the rate that they are obtained. Now, there are a lot of seasons, and it is somewhat cyclical, but overall, 331% of growth over 41 years, and it is continuing to extend its growth potential. Now, guys, let's look right into the financial history. The current stock price as of June 26, 2021 is $25.72. Now, we are in the after hours market right now, so there may be some fluctuation by the time that the market opens on Monday, but that is currently where we sit. The market cap is $737.46 million with a dividend yield of 2.15%, which equates to 5 cents per share per month. Now guys, I understand 5 cents per share is not a huge amount of money. You may be asking yourself, how am I supposed to replace my income at 5 cents per share? Guys, you've got to understand something. One is consistency. This company has been paying a dividend consistently since its inception in 2013, and over the past 6 years, it has also consistently raised its dividend as well. Also, where you are sacrificing the acute cash flow and the acute dividend yield, you make up for growth. This company has been a growth machine over the past 5 years, and let's break down some of the acute growth that it has and the long-term growth. Over the past month, this company is currently up 8.6%. Over the past 3 months, it's up 37.12%. Year-to-date return is 71.58%. And guys, this is the big one. Over 5 years, this company is up 178%. That is a growth machine. That is an amazing amount of growth. In almost 5 years, you have nearly tripled your investment. Now, I know I've hit you with a lot of information, a lot of numbers in this video. If you feel like you may have missed any of it, please do not hesitate to rewind the video or go back and watch the video again. It gets me more watch hours, which also helps out my channel, so I appreciate it. But guys, with all that being said, the information that I've given you, it is now on you. You have to do your own due diligence. Educate yourself on this company to determine, is its business model something that you find value in? Is it something that you think is a promising business model in the future? Do you see the same potential sustained growth that I do? If you do, great. I hope you are able to add this to your portfolio, or if you are already an investor in Gladstone Land Corporation, that will then give you the opportunity to extend your investment and hopefully reap the benefits of that continued growth as well. But guys, it is up to you to do your own due diligence. I am not a financial advisor. This is for entertainment purposes. It is not financial advice.
Disclaimer.
Please do not forget the motto of this channel. It is educate yourself, invest wisely, and be prosperous. I wish nothing but prosperity on all of you all. The best way to start with some prosperity is to get some free stocks using the links in the description below. Also, guys, please, please, please know that I value your time. I never want to waste it, and I thank you so much for giving me some more of it. And until next time, please know that I'll miss you. I love you. Peace.